It's Mudkip 2007 Doge here. Today we won't be playing anything. We'll be just doing a vlog on our parrot, Molly. Say hello to Molly. She's a green Amazon parrot. She's quite noisy. Sometimes she's really quiet. She's very loud. My mum's just opening the door with me to let Molly go outside. Here she comes. Her water might spill. She has some water that I usually clean.
Pull the wheels.
While we're doing this, I might as well show you our garden. We cleaned this a few days ago. So this is where Molly usually is. This is just a pathing here. We just go down here and into the garden. There's some breaks here where we usually clean stuff with. Of course. Here's all of our things. Here's the door that goes into our thing. Let me see if it's open. Is it open? No. But that goes into our places. It goes into like freezer places and things. Here's our table that my mum painted like a few days ago. And it's just normal. It used to be brown. Here's some plot pots, and here's some. She also did this. She did this all on the same day. What's happening? Molly also got scratched once by a cat, and she literally shouted. That was last year, like December. And then my mum literally ran out and tried to find her. So here's all of this. There's more plants over here. And that's pretty much it. So there's also this, and there's our things. So I think I'll go in now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.